Majida namaGrootman, Al-Masri 2 Kaizer Chiefs 1. Kule video ndawuchaza kwenzeke ntoni. Iscore iresult ayisostory echazayo uba kwenzeke ntoni ebaleni. First half second half decisive moments zenzeke njani. But Kaizer Chiefs ichithe irice esantini apha kule match ngapha Egypt. First half, Kaizer Chiefs created more chances than Al-Masri. Kaizer Chiefs created 8 chances to score, and then Al-Masri created 7 chances. A big chance, Kaizer Chiefs created 2 out of 8 chances. Al-Masri created 2 big chances out of 7 chances. Performance guy referee Washington Dolo from Liberia, Akos Khalazo. Al-Masri ibinosomdanger abayi-2 qha ucaptain uHassam pha center number 8 because of problems ibeyona player create opportunities ibeyona player create play and lo way asiyo-2 zonke iiteam zase-North Africa zibanjalo Egypt Morocco okanye Algeria zibane player A1 qha create play ezinye zicreate nje istructure as a team. Al-Masri ibinayo ne-winger left winger uHussein because of problems left wing. Ngaphandle kwaloo nto Al-Masri ibingeyonja enobungozi kakhulu. Kaizer Chiefs iyabana more opportunities first half but kuse amajita akangakwazi uncola be-clinical. Kule top level CAF Confederation Cup afunekanga wenza izinto zenza ngebhetwe Premiership. Xa uthola opportunities funeke uzibeke flat. In terms of team news, Kaizer Chiefs yenze 3 changes unexpected. Pha emqeni uThabo Cele yawangena pha number 8 position engenela ngoSingiphile Ngcobo. And then emasayidini coach Benin Khalel Youssef plus Cedric Kaze benze 2 changes macala left wing right wing. Iyawaphuma asana level ebhaya plus noMfundo Vilakazi bafaka experience. I'm sure bebe respect CAF Confederation Cup but respect competition level bakhupha youngsters bafaka players experience Ashley Dupe plus noPule Modi. But kezo changes kaze spine kangako omayi-2 amajita ebepap i-1 qha iwenzekile grand from Ashley Dupe nge-42nd minute. Iwathatha i-defenders i-2 around the center wawina i-free kick outside the 18 area ye-Al-Masri. Lo way ithathe 42 minutes, otherwise for the rest of the game umjita bengabonakali zoyi-2 wingers noPule Modi. Abantu beqala ustarta bedlala i-game in 4 or 5 matches bavele bastarta nje apha kule game. Sometimes we coach experiment but say ezinye isikhathi experimentation ayispani and kule i-night khange spani experimentation yoqala nge-wingers ezi-2 ezine-experience but say amajita khanga affected i-game. One thing about the CAF football apha i-teams especially in North Africa zibamba i-structure qha so ayibikho opportunities for uma uthole ii-passes nidlala i-combinations iwe espanayo bayisemakwazi uthatha ibhola uqhube ibhola xa uyiplayer kusewuthatha ibhola kusewuqhube phakathi kwe-defenders. That's how you create space and Kaizer Chiefs igoal Kaizer Chiefs izenjalo futhi xa uthatha ibhola udriver nayo phakathi kwe-defenders azina-choice uba mazize kuwe and xa ziza kuwe ucreate opportunities. Not-choice bakuse mazize kuwe and then xa siza kuwe ucreate opportunities ne-space for i-teammates. Kaizer Chiefs khange ikwazi uyenza enough ke lo way. Imizekelo central midfielders ezikwazi kusewudriver nebhola Sundowns Alende noMokoena bayakwazi ukwenza la way bavele badrive nebhola bayazi kuse-Afrika kubanjwa i-structure pha azibikho ii-channels zopasa so into ukuthatha ibhola ungene ebantwini. Alende uyayityhuna la way uMokoena uyayityhuna la way plus Orlando Pirates uTalente Mbatha uyayityhuna grand la way naye umjita. Tito Masangwanya ayakwazi ukutyhuna la way, Themba Zwane ayakwazi ukutyhuna la way, uMdusha Balala for Kaizer Chiefs bekufuneka ekwazile ukwenza la way emjita but noThabo Cele but khange bakwazi uyenza enough. Kaizer Chiefs ke ngoku khange ngikwazi ucreate more chances. Le team bingenamazinyo le team bingena some danger le team le. Second half Al-Masri iyaqala better Kaizer Chiefs. Ya create chances i-2 first 3 minutes second half. Brendan Peterson washaya saves ezigrot first 3 minutes second half. Attacks ze-Al-Masri besiza ngoHussein qha umjita bedlala left wing and exact first half bezenzekile lo wing then second half negoal Al-Masri izenjalo from left wing kashaywa i-lob over i-defense Kaizer Chiefs ukeeper uyawaphuma because se-defense eshayiwe i-Al-Masri i-attacker Al-Masri theka i-receiver la bhola bese efikile uPeterson washaya i-foul and then ureferee Washington Dolo wase-Liberia wayikhomba ichaphaza i-penalty yakhona shaye ngoMugeshu bingekho ntswimo ngaka penalty. Peterson umjita yoba unlucky bha ngesavile penalty because bingo penalty entswembu binayo i-power grand but bingekho fair ekoneni binayo i-power but bingekho fair ekoneni ukeeper benokwazi bakusema kafike bha qha umjita yashaya phansi kwakhe. Lo goal leyo for i-1-0 angena nge-56 minutes but 7 minutes later Dylan Solomons washaya equalizer Kaizer Chiefs shaya i-run entswembu umjita from a right back ngeyaspin again le way bendithetha ngayo bafethu bayisejonga funeka ukwazi kusewudriver nebhola phaa. Umfundo Vilakazi substitute iyothola ibhola around center. Umfundo Vilakazi iyothola ibhola around center circle umtshana wabe driver nebhola lindela kusejonga amajita wenze i-runs. Dylan Solomons wathi gqa emva kwakhe umjita shaye i-run lathi ulawo Vilakazi yamnika umjita. Dylan Solomons wayibamba wathatha abantu again naye kuze i-defense almost ingaspin bisi-structured basijonga nansi back 4 I think back 5 ingaspin. Solomons njengoba esi-right wing wadriver in umjita across amajita wagqitha kuwo my-2 ezi zinzanto azizi kuye zibuya umva mosmans bambe i-structure. Solomons wathola i-angle umjita washaya umshesha phansi nge-left foot yakhe yangena ekoneni 1-1 Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs after lo goal yadominator grand created chances 2 big chances again Kaizer Chiefs kangikwazi kuseka amajita upanisha Al-Masri. And then the final 3 minutes Kaizer Chiefs against a run of play. Kaizer Chiefs has been controller game. Al-Masri abakhe loose ball inside the boxini. Inacho Miguel umjita bona webasewuzama ushaya clearance waphosa ibhola wakhaba umoya. Al-Masri kuseyathola loose ball finish 2-1. 3 minutes later amajita is Al-Masri of course ke ngokusezadlala i-mind games amajita delay i-game yazazi kuse yase-Egypt neyase-Morocco delay i-game ebekuchayile ngayo ke ngoku lose 2-1 first game ku-Group C CAF Confederation Cup Kaizer Chiefs lose 2-1. Story salo game bafethu enzeke njalo kubafethu. Kaizer Chiefs iyathola opportunities. Al-Masri ibingena some danger to Al-Masri jo. Kaizer Chiefs ngeyiwinile le game la team ebi-ordinary nyanyani. Kaizer Chiefs lose the opportunity for Baksema starting at 3 points apha kule group but ke check 5 games Kaizer Chiefs for Baksema ikwazi kusephinde ithole la number 2 kwenye number 1 apha kule group kwenzela kuseyingene quarter finals zale competition. Next game ikule weekend apha eMzansi Kaizer Chiefs izawhosta iZamalek eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium Satrag ngo-3. Otherwise kwangoku bafethu Kaizer Chiefs make ifunde ilesson bakusejonga opportunities awuzichameli pha CAF Confederation Cup. Others bafethu ngicela ningalibali support channel shaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibana le channel ushaye subscribe ngotsha bafethu.